Could blockchain technology be the key to a decentralized future? Many believe that it holds the potential to revolutionize industries, economies, and societies. It's the backbone of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, but its applications go far beyond digital currencies. It can bring about transparency, security, and efficiency in sectors like finance, healthcare, supply chain, and even voting systems. One of the groundbreaking projects in this field is Bitfinity. This second-level Bitcoin network is built on internet computer and has already attracted $7 million in funding. Bitfinity is leveraging one of the key strengths of internet computer, its compatibility with Ethereum virtual machine. This compatibility opens up new possibilities, such as the creation of decentralized finance or DeFi applications on the Bitcoin-enabled project network. Bitfinity is one such project that is pushing the boundaries of what is possible with blockchain technology. Bitfinity's journey is a testament to the potential of blockchain technology. This ambitious venture embarked on a mission to develop a second-level Bitcoin network based on internet computer, and its progress has been remarkable. The project has successfully raised a whopping $7 million in funding, capturing the interest of noteworthy investors in the crypto world. Among these are Polychain Capital, Parify Capital, Warburg Saris, Dokia Capital, and Draft Ventures. These financial powerhouses have shown their confidence and commitment to Bitfinity's vision by investing through the purchase of project tokens during 2 rounds of financing. The second round alone placed Bitfinity's valuation at an impressive $130 million, according to co-founder Max Chamberlain. The Bitfinity team's utilization of internet computers' compatibility with the Ethereum virtual machine has certainly played a role in this success. With a valuation of $130 million, Bitfinity has caught the attention of some big-name investors. But what exactly is the Bitfinity project, and what makes it so attractive to investors? Well, Bitfinity is a cutting-edge blockchain project that is creating a second-level Bitcoin network. This isn't just any network, mind you, but one based on the internet computer. Now, the internet computer has a fantastic feature that Bitfinity is leveraging to its advantage: compatibility with the Ethereum virtual machine. This is no small feat. The Ethereum virtual machine is a powerhouse when it comes to creating and managing smart contracts, which are essential for decentralized finance or DeFi applications. By harnessing this compatibility, Bitfinity is paving the way for the creation of DeFi applications on its Bitcoin-enabled project network. This is a game-changer, folks, and it's a big part of why investors are lining up to get a piece of the Bitfinity pie. With its innovative approach and strong financial backing, Bitfinity is poised to make a significant impact in the world of blockchain technology.